Hello friends, so in this tutorial of Power BI DAX, we will learn about your union, intersect and accept in Power BI. So how we can use them to create a table there. So there are certain conditions we should keep in mind before using these formulas union, intercept and accept. First one is both table should have same columns, and second one is both table should have same data type, same column order n. So these things should be in mind before we have to go through and create a record for these formulas for making by using these formulas. So what is union there? Union is getting data from both the tables, and it even include the common data also. So it will get out, fetch all the data, and it will create a table for that. Intersect is basically getting the common data in between, like if we have two tables A and B, so it will get intersect only the common data. And accept, like common data will not be shown, and the which are not common, that will be shown from both the tables. So this is in the case of accept. Now we will go to our tables. So we have two tables here, one is Mahesh and another one is Ramesh. So if I will put double Ramesh there, so it will show the data of Ramesh and Mahesh. So these tables have data, and like which even have some common data and some even have some uncommon data. So how we can use them, let's see. So I will go there in our modeling, and from modeling I will take a new table there, and after taking I will give it a name union, so that we can acknowledge them and find out what is that. So this is union, and I will give the formula that is union there only. Then I will open it and give it the name of one of my table, which is Mahesh. So I will put Mahesh here, and then I will put comma, and then I will put the name of my second table, which is Ramesh, and I am using the union here. So I have created a new table with the name union. Okay, and if you want to see data, I will go to this report data now. So both data are added here, like it's now we have a 30 sheet of data, but now it's 60, somewhere around 60 and more. So this is like it has 60 rows now, earlier it was 30, so it added both of them. Next is your common data. For that we can use the intersect. For intersect I will again go to modeling, and then I will go to new table and give it a name intersect, and equal to the formula name is intersect only. So I will give the name intersect here. Then I will take my first table, which is Mahesh, comma, then Ramesh. So whatever is common in between them, that will be there. So I just click over this. Now we have an intersect here, so I will go there. So this is the common data between both of them. Next is your accept, what is not common between them, so it will show that. So again we will create a table. So for this we go to modeling, and then again I will take a new table there, and from here I will type the name same as accept, equal to the formula is the same, accept, and again I will take Mahesh. I will take the name as Mahesh here, and then Ramesh, and just click over this right arrow key, and if you want to see them, we can see them in data. So we have accept here, we have intersect there, and beside that we have both common data in union is also there. So this way we can use this formula in Power BI DAX. So thank you very much for watching this.